finance guy. Any questions offline also you can interact with him. He is very good in that.
Thank you.
He is our guru.
Thank you.
Finance guy.
Thank you.
Sir, the same question to you, like, because finance is a very critical.
Yeah.
What are happening?
I am Srinivas Arya and I worked almost 40 years in finance and accounts functions. Retired as a CFO from Tata International. Then I was consultant for a group company called Pilani as a group CFO. Now I am a freelancer and also teaching to students. Actually, governance from finance point of view, it is there from the beginning. Because without finance, there is no organization will survive. Even personal life cannot survive. So finance is part and part of blood of every organization, entity or individual. Similarly, as the finance is there, governance is also has to be there. It has to be aligned with that. If finance function works well, governance is not there, then there is a fraud and misuse, and there is a possibility of winding up of companies will go on to that extent. Similarly, now of late, in fact, I can say I am lucky to work in various eras. I started with manual accounting system where no computers, no data, no except only one, I can say calculator. Used to have write ledgers in manual handwritings and then consolidate with another ledger, running into trial balance sheets months together, tallying all those. Then came to FoxPro database, small ones, where at least you can enter it, put star command, it will give you some. We used to have fun. It's going out up and down, so many data it is going out. Then end of the day, some error will come, we have to rectify that error, what it is, again run it, all those things we used to have to. Then slowly Excel has come, Microsoft Excel has come, people started depending on the Excel. Then the ERPC started coming in, like Tally. Initially it was Tally, then SAP, Oracle, Microsoft Dynamics 365. So I was migrating all these softwares, and I was part of the finance function in that. So every function, wherever we go, whether it's SAP, MI, ERP or for Oracle, anything, again, controls, makers, checks is nothing but our governance. If we don't have proper controls, makers and checks, the governance will fail. Automatically your numbers will go wrong. Now last couple of years, last 4-5 years, which I am handling the function of CFO of Tata International, where the requirement from management is like everything they need day before yesterday. They ask what is the profitability of say March 26 in day before yesterday. So it is not like, in the old era we can't do all those things and do that. So we have to go for the predictive model. We have to see how our business going on next 3 months, next 2 months. Earlier when we prepare the budgets, we used to prepare for long-term budgets of 3 years, 4 years, 5 years. Now the long-term is 1 year, short-term is 1 month. So that's how the quarter on quarter, we used to joke, and every quarter on quarter it has changes will go for changes. Because geopolitical issues are there, product dynamic changes, customer requirements are changing. Similarly, controls are changing, technology is improving. The moment technology is improving, if we don't upgrade ourselves and we restrict ourselves to one old technology, then that's a total failure, absolutely failure of the organization it is. Whether it's a leadership failure, whether it's a people failure, these all further we can say interrogations. But as an organization, we should have a proper governance system with a control technology. Now the AI is really facilitating for developing dashboards and also producing a lot of futuristic information and a lot of data which will come. But unfortunately, what we need again there, we need a human brains to validate it. How good it is, how relevant it is to us, and how it is good to make a decision making. Then only your profitability will grow up, your controls will go up. Even the regulators, as such we have already for finance a lot of regulation authorities like RBI, SEBI, and then Companies Act, all those are there. Apart from that, technology is still driving all of them. Even the Government of India, the Ministry of Finance is working on the AI. All our income tax returns, whatever we are now getting, is completely done by AI. They up to refunds up to 1,50,000, within seconds it will come. Earlier it used to take 3 months, 4 months on that. Today you file the return, next day you say your acknowledgement is so and so confirmed, your return is getting refunded. All done by AI. But still they are having a proper governance control on that with the top software companies and people behind that working. Even GST, when it is rolled out, there's a total mess that how to get input credit, how to get matching the input credit, whether credit is matching, bill is filed or not. Now a lot of API tools have come back, which is integrating with your ERPs and then give you the reconciliations. Just give you a summary of your reconciliations where it is not matching. Focus that particular vendor, say you have to not file your invoice, please update, otherwise I'll not pay you next month. So that's where the control checks is really helping AI, and through AI, a lot of improvements are coming up and speed is developing it, transparency, accountability is coming out in that. So it is a good opportunity for us to go further improvements in that.
You, Srinivas.
Thank you. Thank you. Yes.
But in the
Proper manner. Yes. It's hand to hand. It has to go together.
wherever finance is there, fraud is there. So,
Absolutely. Fraud detection happens from the AI. Yes. Correct.
Always. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Yeah.